In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively record an expense in the Purchases module of your financial software. This process is essential for keeping your financial records up to date and accurate. So whether you're managing a small business or staying on top of your personal finances, these steps will be immensely valuable. First, locate the Purchases module, which you'll find in the left-hand sidebar of your dashboard. From there, select the option labeled Expenses. For those of you who prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can simply press Shift and X simultaneously to access it directly. This will take you to the Expenses section, where we'll be inputting the details of your transaction. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of the screen for the plus New button. Give that a click. This will open up a new window where you can begin entering the specific details of your expense. Let's start by entering the date. Ensure that this date reflects when the expense was actually incurred, as this helps maintain accurate records. Next, you'll be prompted to select the vendor associated with this particular expense. The vendor is typically the company or individual from whom you made the purchase, so make sure to choose the correct one from the list provided. The next step involves selecting an expense account to categorize this transaction. This categorization assists with tracking and analyzing costs over time. If your expense involves multiple categories or accounts, you'll want to click Itemize. This feature allows you to add additional accounts, ensuring each component of your expense is appropriately tracked. Moving along, it's time to input the amount of the expense. Alongside the amount, be sure to account for any applicable taxes that need to be recorded. This ensures that your financial records are as comprehensive and precise as possible. Following this, you'll need to select the Paid Through account. This step indicates where the payment was made from, such as your bank account or any other payment source. It's crucial to ensure this information is correct, as it affects your overall cash flow records. An important part of staying organized is keeping evidence of your transactions handy. To do this, you can upload any supporting documents, such as receipts or invoices. Simply click the Upload button and choose the file you want to attach. This step provides documentation that could be essential for future reference or audits. Once you've double-checked that all the information is correct and complete, you have two options to finish up. If you're done for now, click Save and Close to store this expense. However, if you have another expense to record, click Save and New. This will save your current entry and open a fresh form for the next one. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll efficiently manage your expenses within the Purchases module. Keeping your financial records accurate and up to date has never been easier. Thanks for watching, and happy bookkeeping!